Have a C01 file that seems to be part of a larger download? This is a split archive segment from the WinAce compression tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to reassemble and extract these split archive part files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful C01 troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. C01 files are split archive part files created by WinAce, the file compression utility. They represent the second segment of a multi-part ACE archive that has been split into smaller files for easier distribution. The complete archive requires all parts from C0 through the final segment to be present for successful extraction. WinAce C01 split archive files use the ACE compression format divided across multiple sequential files. Each segment contains a portion of the compressed data stream, with the C00 file containing the archive header and initial data. Parts are numbered sequentially C00 C01 C02, etc., and must be reassembled in order for extraction. The initial software setup links the C01 file directly to WinAce by emerge GmbH. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can preview limited archive information, but complete access requires extraction software. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your C01 file and choose Open With. Test with WinAce first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the C01 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, extracting split archives. Ensure all archive parts are in the same folder. Open the first file with the C00 or ACE extension in WinAce or a compatible extractor. The application automatically locates subsequent parts, C01 C02, etc., and extracts the complete archive. If any part is missing, the extraction fails and reports the missing segment. Next, using alternative extractors. Since WinAce is no longer actively maintained use, pzip or 7-zip with ACE plugin support to extract split ACE archives. Place all parts in one folder and open the first segment. The extractor reads all parts sequentially and decompresses the complete archive contents to your specified output directory. Finally, handling missing parts. If extraction fails due to a missing part, re-download that specific segment from the original source. The error message identifies which part number is missing. All segments must be present and intact for successful extraction. Verify file sizes match expected values to ensure no parts were corrupted during download or transfer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.